Hello there. It is I, your furry and adorable friend Grover. Welcome to Mindful Monsters. I am so glad you are here. Being a mindful monster means paying close attention to how you feel and what is going on around you. Let us start by taking a deep breath. Ready? Now, let us listen in with my good friend Big Bird to learn all about saying hello to our bodies.
Hello there, it's me, Big Bird. One way I like to have a mindful moment is by saying hello to the different parts of my body. I like to imagine a nice breeze blowing through my feathers and making me feel nice and relaxed. Come on, let's do it together. Make sure you're in a comfy position. Let's start by taking 3 big belly breaths. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now, let's say hello to our heads. Hello, head. Let's move our heads in a big circle one way, then the other. Good. Now, let's say hello to our shoulders. Hello, shoulders. Let's squeeze our shoulders up and down. One more time. Up and down. Good. Now, let's say hello to our hands. Hello, hands. Let's open our hands and close them. One more time. Open and close. Good. Now, let's say hello to our toes. Hello, toes. See if you can wiggle your toes. Are they wiggling? Good. Thanks for saying hello to your body with me. Checking in with your body is a great way to feel calm and relaxed.
Well, that was nice. Thank you for stopping by Mindful Monsters and taking a mindful moment with us today. Let us take one more deep breath together, okay? Bye.